Hello children, welcome to science class. Children, you all know that all the plants do not grow at same place. Different plants grow at different places. Which means that plant of one region is different from plant of another region. Now doesn't this raise question into your mind that why a plant which grows so well at a particular region cannot grow well in another region? For example, a lotus plant which grows so well in water cannot grow in desert. Now, let us try to find out the answer to these questions by studying the chapter number 2, Adaptations in Plants.
Plants adapt to the environmental conditions of the area they live in. The ability to adjust and adapt to survive in a natural habitat is called adaptations. The plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. Terrestrial plants are found in desert area, plains, hills, marshy lands, and coastal areas. Adaptations in desert plants. Deserts are the area that receive less or no rainfall. It is very hot, dry, and sandy in deserts. Due to less rainfall, little water is available in the soil. Thus, plants in the desert regions adapt themselves to obtain water from the soil and prevent loss of water. Cactus, date palm, and acacia are few examples of desert plants. Adaptations in cactus plants. The leaves are reduced to thin and sharp spines to minimize the loss of water. The stem is modified to store water. The stem contains chlorophyll and performs photosynthesis for the plants. The roots are spread out and are embedded deep in the soil to absorb water. Adaptations in plants in plains. In plains, temperature is moderate. It is neither too hot in summers nor too cold in winters. The trees present in the plain areas can be categorized as evergreen trees and deciduous trees. Some trees shed their leaves in autumn and get new leaves in spring. These trees are called deciduous trees. Peepal, shisham, and gulmohar are few examples of deciduous trees. Some trees in the plains remain green throughout the year. These are called evergreen trees. These trees are present in the areas with heavy rainfall. Banyan tree and mango tree are two common examples of evergreen trees. Adaptations in plants in hilly areas. In hilly areas, the weather is very cold. There is snowfall in certain areas during winters. The trees in the hilly areas adapt to survive the cold climatic conditions. Some of the adaptations of trees in hilly areas are: the trees are tall and have conical shape. The conical shape of the trees help the snow to slide down from the trees. They have needle-shaped leaves with waxy coating to protect them from cold and strong winds. They usually do not have flowers but cones. Fir, pine, cedar, and spruce are few examples of trees in hilly areas. Adaptations in plants in marshy areas. The areas that are present near the sea or a river are called marshy areas. The soil in marshy areas is soaked in water with little or no air. Therefore, the roots of plants in marshy areas do not get enough air to breathe. Plants in marshy areas adapt so that the roots obtain fresh air. The roots of these plants grow above the clayey soil to support the plant and to breathe. These are called stilt roots and breathing roots, respectively. Mangrove trees are the most common examples of plants that grow in marshy areas. Plants in coastal areas. Coastal areas have hot and wet climate. The plants present in coastal areas are adapted to grow in salt water. They have plenty of leaves and they do not shade their leaves altogether. They are evergreen trees. Trees such as coconut, teak, and rubber are some of the examples of trees that grow in coastal areas with heavy rains. So, children, with this, we have come to the end of today's topic. I hope all of you have understood everything. Bye and have a nice day.